What's up, guys? Welcome back to another interview at the Dubai Precious Metals Conference 2025. I'm Adel, the host. Today we have two individuals from Rajesh, India. Please introduce yourselves.
Okay, well, my name is Shailesh. I'm a business development director of Rajesh India Manufacturing Company.
I'm Amol, director of the Rajesh India Manufacturing Company. We are manufacturing gold refinery and precious metal refinery and trunky projects.
That's really great, sir. Thank you for the introduction. So, well, I'll give you a brief about the Rajesh
Yes.
India Manufacturing Company. Okay. So, well, very good afternoon, everyone. My name is Shailesh, and we are a Rajesh India Manufacturing Company. We deal in precious metal of gold and silver refinery machines, neutralization scrubber, raw material, consumable items, a complete turnkey projects, ETP plants, evaporation unit. We deal in all the manufacturing and a complete turnkey project we provide to everyone. We are the one of the leading manufacturer and trusted name in this industry, and our main core is a quality, trust, and reliability. Since day one, we have established our company.
Fantastic. So tell us, what sort of takeaways do you want to get from this conference? Why are you here?
Okay, well, I'll tell you something about Dubai. You know, guys, the Middle East, especially in Dubai, they are the key hub of collaboration and growth of the company to getting a new opportunity. And basically, Rajesh India is here to grab an opportunity and make sure, we are the leading manufacturer in India and across a global. We serve as inclined as to keep a long-term relationship. We give our best to our client, whatever we can, and we make sure Dubai gives us this opportunity. We will give our best and will prove we want to be. Our vision is to be a number one leading manufacturing company, which we already established in this market.
Okay, great. Now going into 2026, what sort of key trends do you see in the refinery industry?
I believe for the key strength you're talking about has been AI. You heard about AI, right?
Yes.
So yes, so Rajesh India is gonna introduce a innovative, advanced refinery setup for everyone. Those who are looking for a complete setup of refinery, we are going to serve a advanced technology with innovative driven and for a precious metal of ecosystem.
Fantastic. And how about you? What do you think is going to be the next trend for 2026 and beyond?
Uh, Actually, we are give the best our which is the we can do the best things for the environment, and we develop some equipment also according to environment, and we are give our best actually.
Okay.
So the sir wants to say that we, as per the compliance and a standard policy, we keep a transparency in saving our environment, which we prepare a ETP plants for every refinery setup, which secure the air, water, which give a treatment to a water and air and release the air at a normal level.
Okay.
So that's what we do.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it. And all the best with your company.
Thank you so much, Adel.
All right.
Wish you the same, buddy.
Appreciate it. All right, guys, that's a wrap. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you found this insightful. We'll leave all the links in the description so you can check out both their profiles. Thank you again. I'm Adel, the host, and I will see you next time. Cheers.
Web3 TV.